It's been a year since Google released its first ever Pixel Watch, and now they have their Pixel Watch 2. What's changed? Not much, but let's jump into this unboxing. All right, so here it is, the Pixel Watch 2. I did get it in the porcelain color to match the phone, of course. I'm already feeling this color on the phone, so I'm gonna check it out on the watch itself. It is the aluminum now. It was stainless steel, but now the casing is aluminum. But it's not much to the box itself. At this point, man, these boxes are just a box. But I did see the package that Google sent to some YouTubers, and that box setup was pretty cool. One day my channel is gonna get big enough and Google gonna send me out the nice little box, because that boxing experience was pretty dope. Anyway, had to buy this myself, and I got the normal box, and it's cool. But let's rip it open and jump into it. This thing's sticking to me. Actually, how do you open this? It's late. I don't know if y'all know, but it's like 2 o'clock in the morning where I'm at, and I'm doing unboxings. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I ain't seen this. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's try this again. Oh, I was talking crap. I wasn't expecting that. The box that came out last year wasn't this cool. So I just disregard everything I just said about the box. Is just a box. Woo. I feel like I gotta try that again. Oh. Now this is a dope box. And here goes the watch right in the middle. Looks pretty much the same and feel the same. Not like it's a bad thing, even though I was hoping that Google came out with an actual larger sizes, because even though I got used to the size, it's not that small, but I did wish they came out with a larger size. So here goes the original Pixel Watch. It's literally the same exact size. The weight, this does feel a little lighter. Weight on here feels a little heavier. But before I go dive deep into the watch, let's actually enjoy the unboxing experience. What else we got in here? All right. Google on some Apple stuff right now with this unboxing. Like, look at this. Like, that was... All right, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So here goes the charging cable. And I'm just about to tear this right on out, because I'm gonna need this, and I don't see a cool way to easy way to just take this out. So I'm just gonna rip it out. But here go the charging cable. Oh, wait a minute. They switched this up. Got these little prongs on the back now, which I don't know I'm too happy about, because now I feel like this is gonna have to line up exactly for it to charge correctly. Let's see. All right. Oh, so actually it snaps in, but you gotta like play around with it a little bit to like actually get it going. It's just not like, I mean, now you know, I know that this side has to be lined up, but see, if I try to do it this way, it ain't doing what it need to do. Like it locks on way tighter than last year's version, but I'm not quite feeling how they went with this route. And it's getting to a point now, I wish all the watch chargers was the same, because recently I had the Pixel Watch on, I switched to the Galaxy Watch Classic 6, then I'm using this old Apple Watch, and it's like 3 different chargers. I just wish, now it's like, quick little rant. I'm happy that iPhone finally went to USB-C. Now we just need to get these watches to get on board. Everybody just need to go to the same charger, because what is this? What is these prongs? Like really, what is these prongs that you putting on here? What purpose does it serve? I mean, it's much tighter lock onto it, but I just feel like I gotta do more now in the middle of the night to like put this on. But anyway, I think I ranted about that enough. Let's jump back into what else is in here. All right, I'm impressed. I really like this box, and I really like how the attention to detail and how they put this in here. Like, look at this. So this is the extra band. What size is this? This is a large. All right, so this is what the small. So I might have to switch over to the large band. But for right now, we're gonna try it out with just a small one on, but I'm pretty sure I did switch out the small on the regular watch to the large to fit on my wrist. But that is it for the box. This box was actually cool. Google, if nobody ever told you yet, I'm gonna tell you, I appreciate it. I enjoy a really good unboxing. That's why I make these videos. Anyway, let's power it up. What's actually new with the Pixel Watch 2? Honest with you, not much. But it is a new quad core processor in here. Last year was a dual core, so it should be a little bit faster, a little bit snappier, and hopefully better battery life. They claim it's better battery life, but we'll actually see once we really test it. Though the last year watch, I did not have any issues with performance. This watch is one of the smoothest watches I've ever used. It's, be honest with me, to me, this watch was smoother than the Apple Watch. And I put Apple Watch on top right now, even though that's starting to shift. I think I'm really feeling the Pixel Watch more. Even like the Galaxy Watch 6, I'm really liking that watch. I mean, just the click. I just like to play with the click. It has a new temperature sensor, the skin temperature sensors. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm pretty sure Google had a good idea of why they added that to some purpose. But there's a new temperature sensors on there. They did change the heart rate sensor on here. So you see with the regular Pixel Watch, it's like these 3-4 bars. And now with this one, it's a completely different design. The actual design of the watch didn't change much, but under the hood, a lot did change. Like I said, I really just wanted a larger watch, then it didn't come, so I keep saying nothing changed, but it still has the same band thing, which I'm not that, to me it's still a little finicky. I wanted to try out all the other new bands, but then again, I didn't want to mess with this because it's not as simple as something like the Apple Watch. And I'm not going to mess with it now in this video because it is a little finicky. It's not that simple to just pop in and pop out. It's cool. It's innovative. Matter of fact, let me take this Apple Watch off because our phone is about to get packed up. It's Pixel time. I'm sorry, iPhone, you lasted all of 2 weeks and the Pixel dropped. And now it's just time for you to go to the side. But let me put this on the wrist and see how it feels. Maybe the band feel a little better. Matter of fact, I think these are the exact same bands, just a different color. Yeah, it feels exactly the same, but this is what it feels like on the wrist. And I'm thinking it's waiting for me to actually set this up. So let me set this up real quick. Actually, it didn't pop up yet. Are you gonna pop up? I got a bunch of phones open, so it'll probably try to pop up on one of these phones. All right, we got that thing set up, and it feels like the old one. I mean, other than the different color, I mean, it feels pretty much the same. I did run through some of the tiles and the watch face. This is running watchOS 4, which I was using on the Galaxy Watch 6. So I'm kind of used to it, even though it's a little bit different on the Watch 6. This is just plain Wear OS 4. But it seems like a lot of the watch faces are still the same. The tiles, one of my things I was hoping for with the original Pixel Watch was that they would come out with new tiles over time, and a whole year has passed and there are still the same tiles there. Watch faces, there are a lot of watch faces, but also just quickly scrolling through, it don't seem like there are any new ones. This was one I liked the most. I was using this on the regular watch. I'm gonna actually use this again. This watch. So let's make that my watch face. But it's like really easy. Like I really like the UI of the watch app. I like the UI of Wear OS, period. It's really smooth, really simple. And I'm gonna use this on a watch, and look how quick it changes. Like almost instantly, it changes on the watch. Like the whole UI altogether, to me, I really like it. I mean, it's simple to just navigate. Just you swipe left and right to go to your different tiles. Yo, I swear, this is a little quick timer. It's crazy how much I use this, but set like a quick little timer for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I probably do my most used tile for real. There's just steps. Clearly, I don't have no steps yet. It's like almost 3 o'clock in the morning, but I really like how this like rotates. Like this looks so dope to me. But I do want to see them come out with some new tiles. And yo, it'd be crazy too if they get AI on the watch. Like AI is like getting to the point where it's deeply integrated into the Pixel. But if they can get into the Pixel watch, yo, that would be dope. Especially creating like, I don't know if it's not as simple as creating a wallpaper. Wallpaper is kind of straightforward using Gen AI to create that. But imagine if they can use Gen AI to create different watch faces. Yo, that would be real geek. But yeah, it's a lot of the same. I really did enjoy the regular Pixel watch, so I know I'm gonna like this one. I mean, I wish the watch was larger all around, but I did have to switch out the band. That small band was a little too tight for me, but I did switch out the band to the larger band. And like I said, this watch looks good. It's comfortable, it's light. Like I could sleep with this watch, even though I always thought that sleep tracking was weird. Why would you want to sleep with a watch? But I can say that sleeping with the watch is comfortable. It doesn't even feel like it's there. Like after you have the watch on for a few minutes, it doesn't even feel like you have the watch on, because it's just, I guess, pretty much small, and the band feels nice. Also, switching out the band, I had to do it, and it was quick and easy, and it wasn't that much trouble as I felt like it was originally. But I do want to check out the new band watches. Hopefully this time around I will get to order some of the new watch bands. The one I really wanted last year, it just took so long to come out that I got, by the time it came out, like I was done and past it. And there's not that many third-party bands you can get. So that's one thing I don't like. I mean, that's one thing that Apple Watch got it beat with, just accessories. I mean, the phone, the watch, the accessory game is crazy. And I'm hopefully that Google sticks with this design and keep with the same strap, and it'll probably be easier for other people to make those accessories and new watch bands. But like I said, I like this one. Definitely like the way it matches. Can we rock it out for a while, for the next couple weeks? Come back with a review, because I'm definitely gonna work out with this one. Test it out. Like I said, the last one did really good at tracking, the health tracking, so I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be better, especially with the new heart rate sensor on this one. But anyway, it's initial impression, just my unboxing, but you already know what time it is. I'm gonna do a review whenever I do the review, and you rock with me, you rock with me. And if you do, just hit that subscribe button, like the video, and that's it. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. I'm out.